Welcome to Isenamuva Tutoring. Siyabonga kakhulu kwabasubscribile ukuyisiza ku-channel ifike la ekhona. Mawukuthi awaka-subscribe ngizocela ukuthi usubscribe. Indlela yokuthi-ke uyabonga kule video lena nama-video amanye-ke siwenzayo. Ulike ama-video, ucommente, usharele nabanye ukuze bezosizakala. Akhona-ke nama-online classes. Mawufisa ukujoyina ama-online classes ikasiza kakhulu to prepare for i-exam. Ungangibhalela kule number esescreenini ngikuchazele ukuthi sebenza kanjani, very affordable futhi. Sizokwenza-ke i-financial maths grade 12. Sibuka-ke i-financial maths-ke ngesense yokuthi-ke hhayi ukuthi mhlambe ngikuboleka imali and then awusayibuyisi, noma-ke ngikuboleka imali engango-10 rand ubuyisa wona u-10 rand. Asiyibheki ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Siyibheka ngendlela yokuthi-ke mawukuthi uboleka imali izobuya isine-interest, mawukuthi u-invest imali izobuya futhi isine-interest. Nanoma-ke mhlambe uthenga into eshop namhlanje entsha, the very same thing mawusuyithenga after 5 years izobe ingasafani i-value yayo namanje because of i-inflation. Siyibuka-ke i-financial maths kanjalo. Noma mawuthenga into manje eshop bese uyayithengisa leyo nto after ukuyisebenzisa-ke after some time isiyi-scrap noma i-second hand, angeke uzuyithengise ngemali efanayo nale oyithenge ngayo eshop ngoba isuke value yayo isiyehlile, depreciated. Sibuka-ke i-financial maths-ke noma i-maths-ke yokubala imali ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Kubalulekile-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi sikubheke lokho. Kwa-grade 11-ke sifundile nge-financial maths, okuwukuthi-ke kwa-grade 11 besibuka-ke i-financial maths ngendlela yokuthi-ke uthatha imali uyifaka ebhenki ufuna ukuyi-investa bese-ke uzoyilanda after 5 years mhlambe. Bese ngabheka ukuthi mhlambe ufuna ukuyi-investa but uzobhadala every month, mhlambe let's say ufuna uku-investa imali but every month ubhadala ama-100 rand, ama-100 rand, ama-100 rand, uzoyilanda after 5 years for example, ulokhu ubhadala ama-100 rand kodwa every month. Asiyibukanga ngaleyo ndlela kwa-grade 11. Noma-ke mawuboleka imali-ke ebhenki-ke mhlawumbe uzoyi-repay after 5 years. Kwa-grade 11 asishongo ukuthi okay uma uboleka imali mhlawumbe uzolokhu ubuyisela kancane 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 kuze kupheleke lo 5 years. Asiyibukanga ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Kwa-grade 12 i-financial maths-ke siyibuka ngayo-ke leyo ndlela leyo yokuthi-ke okay vele kuma-real life situations kuba ukuthi uma uthatha imali uyiboleka as a loan angeke uzuhlala ungabhadali bese ubhadala after 5 years sekuyi-lump sum. Kodwa into eyenzayo ukuthi uma uyiboleka imali ebhenki bese ulokhu uyibuyisela kancane 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 every month, ulokhu ubuyisela depending ukuthi nivumelane ngokuthi uzobuyisela ngamamalini-ke every month. Nanoma ku-investor-ke let's say for example kwi-retirement, ucontribute kwi-retirement fund. Uma ucontribute-ke kwi-retirement fund kusho ukuthi uma uhola emsebenzini mhlawumbe bazokuthathela imali, let's say mhlawumbe bazokuthathela ama-1000. So every month bazodonsa 1000, every month bazodonsa 1000, every month bazodonsa 1000. Bese mawusu-retire mhlawumbe kube ukuthi uzothola wonke-ke lama 1000 wakade bewathatha every month kodwa ne-interest-ke yawo-ke. Leyo nto-ke ibizwa nge-annuity. Khona into okuthiwa i-annuity noma-ke ilento eniyazi ngokuthi ama-installment. I-installment i-annuity. So kwa-grade 12-ke sifike sifunde ngama-annuity. Ahlukene kawu-2 ama-annuity. Khona i-present value annuity. So sine-present value annuity. I-present value annuity-ke ine-formula elithi PV for present value equals X 1 minus 1 plus I exponent minus N over I. Leyo i-present value annuity formula. Siphinde sibe nenye type ye-installment noma i-annuity okuthiwa i-future value annuity. So future value annuity nayo-ke ne-formula layo kwi-future value annuity elithi FV for future value equals X 1 plus I exponent N minus 1 all over I. Lana-ke into ebalulekile ukuthi ulibhale ngendlela efanele. Angithi yabo leli no negative n, leli no positive n, elinye linoqala ngo-1, elinye ligcina ngayo 1. Ukwazi ukuhlukanisa-ke between lama installments, njengoba ngisho ngenze example yokuthi ke uthatha i-loan ebhank uzolokhu uyibhadala mhlambe for 5 years. Bekuyi-example leyo ye-annuity. If uzobe ubhadala kodwa ama-equal payments, i-installment ngokuthi ama-payments wakhona a-equal over-ke le period enivumelane ngayo. I-future value annuity, i-example yayo bekuwukuthi noma-ke siqale kuyi-present value annuity. Ngithi mina-ke i-present value annuity example yayo ukuthi mawukuthi uthatha i-loan ebhank bese uyayibhadala ngama-equal payments over i-period-ke enivumelane ngayo. I-present value why? Because le loan le oyithathayo ama-results wokuthatha kwakho i-loan wabona at present. Okuwukuthi kusho ukuthi mangihamba manje ngiye ebhenki ngiyothatha i-loan ngizobuya senginayo leyo mali leyo if sivumelene ngokuthi bayanginikeza i-loan. Hhayi ukuthi ama-results okuthatha kwami i-loan ngizowabona after 5 years. No, ngiwabona manje, okusho ukuthi-ke i-present value leyo annuity. So ama-loan-ke akhuluma nge-present value annuity. And then i-future value annuity example yakhona singayenza yiyo le ade ngikhuluma ngayo i-retirement fund. Mawukuthi u-contributor to i-retirement fund, angithi yabo mawukuthi njalo ngenyanga bakudonsela 1,000 ebhenki, njalo badonsa 1,000, njalo badonsa 1,000, bese kuthi-ke ma usu-retire usuwugogo noma usuwumkhulu bese kuyayithola-ke imali sekuyimali eningi-ke. Ama-results wokudonsa kwabo noma-ke ama-result-ke wokuthatha kwabo ama-1,000 from your salary wabona nini? Wabona in the future. So i-future value annuity iyi-investment. So whenever-ke into iyi-investment and ama-payments enzeka njalo ngesikhathi esifanayo ngemali efanayo, usuke ukhuluma-ke lapho-ke nge-future value annuity. I hope kuyezwakala. Kubalulekile ukuthi sikwazi lokho nokuthi-ke sazi ukuthi u-PV umele ini. U-PV umele u-present value-ke, present value, and then u-FV umeleni, future value, and then u-I umele ini, interest rate, bese kuthi u-X umele equal payments, u-N umele number of payments. Mawuzokhumbula kahle kwa grade 11 ke u-N ebemele kwi-compound interest formula ne-simple interest formula, u-N ebemele u-period. Lana-ke sithi-ke u-N umele the number of payments. Into ebaluleke kakhulu-ke yiyo leyo yokwazi ukudifferentiate between i-formula le-present value annuity nele-future value annuity. Bese uyazi-ke ukuthi okay, le scenario ngoba ikhuluma ngento kanjena kusho ukuthi ngikwi-present value annuity, noma ngoba le scenario ikhuluma ngento kanjena kusho ukuthi ngikwi-future value annuity. So mawukuthi-ke mhlawumbe uthenga indlu for example, kungenzeka izinto eziwu-2 ma uthenga indlu. Ungabeka imali njalo ngenyanga, ubeka imali njalo ngenyanga, ubeka imali ebhenki, bese-ke mhlawumbe after 10 years let's say bese uthatha imali yothenga indlu. Leyo mali leyo izobe ine-interest ngoba uzobe uyibeka ngithi ebhenki uyi-invest, okusho ukuthi investment. Ama-results okubeka kwakho imali ebhenki uzowabona in the future useyokhipha imali-ke ebhenki uyothenga indlu. Okusho ukuthi leyo annuity leyo iyini? Iyi-future value annuity. Let's say for the same house ufuna ukuyithenga but ufuna ukuthi-ke uthathe i-bond noma i-mortgage. Uzoya ebhenki ke khona ubatshele ufuna ukuthenga indlu ngebond, okusho ukuthi ke ngesikweletu. Ngamanye amazwi uya ebhenki uyoboleka imali kahle kahle. Ibhenki izokuthengela indlu usunendlu, okusho ukuthi ama-results waleyo nto wabona manje ngoba nayi phela indlu isikhona, ngithi uyabona. So kusho ukuthi present value annuity, bese uyaqala lokhu yakhokha but lento oyikhokhelayo ama-results wayo uwabonile kwi-present. Uhlukanisa kanjalo-ke phakathi kwe-present value ne-future value annuity. Present value ama-loans, future value ama-investments. Okubalulekile ukuthi-ke ukwazi ukusolva for u-PV if kumele usolve for u-PV, ukwazi ukusolva for u-X if kumele usolve for u-X, ukwazi ukusolva for u-N if kumele usolve for u-N. Usually kasijwayele ukusolva lo u-I kuleli formula leli, sijwayele ukuthi sisolve u-PV, u-X noma u-N. Abafundi ke bake bebe ne-challenge ke kusolveni ke mhlambe lo noma lo, but akuyona ke inkinga ukusolva u-PV. Angeke ngize ngenze example yokusolva u-PV ngoba if usolve u-PV kusho ukuthi uzoba naye lona, ube naye bese ushaya lento le calculating bese uyamthola ku-PV wakho, i-straightforward. Ithi ngenze mhlambe i-example ke yokucalculate ke mhlambe u-X. Remember u-X umele ini, kubaluleke kakhulu ke lokho. U-X umele le mali oyibhadalayo efanayo njalo ngenyanga lama installments wakho. So if ubhadala ama-R100 every month, kusho ukuthi u-X ke umele wona ke lawo ama-R100 lawo. If ubhadala ama-5,000 every after 3 months, kusho ukuthi u-X umele lawo ma-5,000 ke every after 3 months. Let's say mhlambe bathi ke ubuthatha i-loan ka 500,000. So mawuthatha i-loan ka-500,000 kusho ukuthi u-500,000 u-PV ngoba ke ama-results ayo leyo mali leyo wabona manje. Mawuthatha i-loan uyithola manje leyo mali leyo. Bese bethi calculator ukuthi mhlambe ke uzobe ubhadala malini ke mawuso repair le loan phela njalo ngenyanga, kusho ukuthi u-X asinaye. Bekunikeze ukuthi ke i-loan yabo ke bazokucharge i-interest ewu-12% ke ngonyaka, compounded monthly. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyayazi ke lento le from i-financial maths ya grade 11. If bezothi 12% per annum compounded monthly, kanti wena uzobe ubhadala mhlambe every month, futhi uyabhadala every month, kumele ke lo okuyi-interest yakho nendlela abacompounda ngayo nendlela obhadala ngayo ifane. So njengoba lana benginikeze u-compounded monthly and mina ngibhadala every month, kusho ukuthi lo nalo bayafana, but uyambona yini lo ukuthi akafani. Why ngithi akafani lona? Ingoba u-12% per year, per annum, per year. Okusho ukuthi kumele ngithathe lo 12% lona ngimenze phela ebe u-per month ke noma ebe njengo-monthly ke lo engisebenza ngaye vele. I hope kuyezwakala lokho. Okokuqala ukuthi iphesenti kasilisebenzisi as iphesenti, silidivide ngo-100. Mawuthatha lo mdivide ngo-100 uzothola u-0.12. So u-0.12 iphesenti ke in terms of ke noma ke in decimal form, 12% in decimal form, but still kusase per year. So kumele ngihlukanise ke manje lo 12% ke per year ngimenze abe yinyanga, and per year inyanga ziwu-12, okusho ukuthi ngizothi lana over bani, over 12. Ngamanye amazwi mase ngiyifaka ke lana kuzoba bani 0.12 over 12 ngoba si-compound le monthly and percent beli per year. I hope niyayithola le nto le. Exponent, let's say mhlawumbe uzoyibhadala ke over a period of 5 years ke inakhunja i-loan yakho. Remember ubhadala every month. La asikhulumi kulo 5 years lona, sifuna ukubona ukuthi ama-payments mangakanani ngoba u-N u-number of payments, angithi uyakhumbula. So if ngizobhadala for 5 years kanti ngibhadala every month, kusho ukuthini ke ngama-payments engizowenza? Azoba u-12 ngoba each and every year sina 12 months, azoba u-12 kusho ukuthi times 5 yokubani okuwu-60, kusho ukuthi ngizogcina ngenze 60 payments. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Kubalulekile ukuthi uyi-understand le nto ngendlela mhlambe esiyichaze ngayo, but iyafundwa ke leyo nto kakhulu kwa grade 12 ukwazi ukwenza lezi zinto zama interest, lento le ebengiqeda ukuyenza lana nama pay nabo N, sorry. into ebengiya kuyo ukuthi ke kubalekile ukuthi umfundi ekwazi ukusolve u-x. Kulula uma usolve u-x la. Mawuyibhekisisa kahle lento le ifana nokuthi ithi 2 equals 3 x noma ke 2 equals x3 into eyi-1 leyo. Yini engingayenza ngoba ngisolve for u-x kumele ngithi get rid of lo 3 lo. How do I get rid of lo 3 lona? Ngidivide ngo-3 on both sides. Angithi uyabona okuwukuthi lo 3 no 3 bazokhanselana. Uyabona? So nakhona ke la ngoba ngisolve for u-x kusho ukuthi lona kufana nokuthi ungasho ukuthi uyi-coefficient ka-x. Angithi uyabo if u-x mhlawumbe uzombeka ngapha noma kuyibuke ngale ndlela engiyenze ngayo la. So kusho ukuthi kuzomele ngithi-ke ukuze ngisolve u-x la ngithi get rid of lento yonke lento le ngithi get rid of yona ngokuthini-ke ngokuthi ngidivide ngayo ngapha nangapha. So indlela elula ukuthi-ke ushaye yonke lento le ecalculate-eni ukuyithola phela ukuthi ubani lento le uyenze yonke ecalculate-eni uthola ukuthi ubani. Bese mawuqeda ke bese uthi ke 500,000 ke divided by leyo answer yakho ke ngithi awuze ukuyi-round off kumele uyibhale njengoba injalo lento ozoyithola la but ke akudingi nokuthi uzoyibhale phansi ungavela uyishaya ecalculate-eni uthi equals to bese khona ecalculate-eni ufaka u500,000 bese uthi divided by answer uzothola ke i-final answer ku-x wakho ku11,122 rand 22 cents. Usumsolvile-ke njalo u-x wakho. Usolva kanjena ku-x. Iyona ndlela ke engenza ngayo. Ngiyazi ukuthi khona ke aba cross multiplyayo ke be times lona lona bese khane divide ngalo ngapha nangapha. Ngibona ngathi ithatha isikhathi. So indlela ke engenza ngayo ke mina ukuthi ngithathe yonke lento lena bese ngishaya ecalculate-eni bese ngithi ke lona over answer seku-x wami ke lo. Kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ukumsolve u-x. Bengifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi usolve kanjani. Sengizonibonisa ke nokuthi if bekunikezile ku-x mhlawumbe bethi solve u-n ama number of payments wenza kanjani. Let's say ke manje sesifuna ukusolve u-n. Let's say mhlawumbe uthatha i-loan ka-30,000 ngoba i-loan i-present value annuity kusho ukuthi u-PV wethu kuzoba u-30,000. Now ku-30,000 ke uthatha ebhenki kusho ukuthi sino PV o-30,000 bese ke ebhenki niyavumelana ukuthi uzobhadala ngama-500 kusho ukuthi u-x ke every month kusho ukuthi u-x ku-500 ngoba uzobe ubhadala ama-500 every month angithi uyabona and then 1 minus 1 plus let's say ke nakhona bakucharge u-12% per annum meaning per year compounded monthly uthola ukuthi ke uzobhadala futhi every month angithi yabo kuzomela laba ke lo nalo be correspond ke nalo angithi yabo zonke lezi zinto lezi ihambisana. Okokuqala ke lo every month nalo compound monthly kusho ukuthi sihappy ngale 2 lena 12% per annum kusho ukuthi per year lona asikho happy ngaye sifuna ethi per month. Okokuqala i-percent awusebenzi ngalo liyi-percent ulidivide ngo-100 kuzophuma lento le but this is still per year thina sifuna per month thatha unyaka umdivide ngo-12 uzothola per month okusho ukuthi lana ke u-0.12 over bani over 12 exponent minus n remember sifuna u-n this time over bani over 0.12 over 12 angithi asizameni ukusolva ke u-n sibone ukuthi sitholani noma simsolva kanjani ku-n. Uyabona ukuthi okokuqala u-n ula phakathi kuma brackets la kufana nokuthi ke lethe mhlawumbe uyithatha ngokuthi yonke lento n yini ongayenza mhlawumbe ke ukuzama ukusolve for n la cabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ke masingaqale si cross multiply ke ingasebenzela na kanjalo omunye engathatha lo nalo eba divide but ngiprefer cross multiply amayi kanje ngizothatha lo ngimtimes ngalo mangithi ke 30,000 times lento ngizothola ngizothola u300 equals 500 ngisasenalona ngithi uyabona ubungamwekha ke out lo kuma brackets akunankinga but ke angimwekhanga ke mina out over okay over 1 angithi lo sesimbuyisele ngapha kusasele lutho la ngaphansi sekanje Yini kongayenza nje manje kufana nokuthi into esiyisolvayo kwamanje ile kahle kahle kusho ukuthi lo kumele sithi get rid of lo 500 so divide ngo 500 ngapha nangapha uma udivide ngo 500 ngapha nangapha uzothola u0.6 equals sekubani ke manje ngisele no 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 over 12 exponent minus n. I hope niyayithola bese ngenze njani ke ngitranspose u1 engala ngithi yabo kufana nokuthi into engiyisolvayo yiyo yonke le kahle kahle so ngitranspose u1 uyangale yana ke mangitranspose u1 ke kuzobani ke 0.4 o negative equals negative 1 plus 0.12 over 12 exponent minus n. Angithi uyabona uyazi ngokwe-maths ke njengoba ku-negative la ku-negative lana singadivide ngo negative throughout ke bese kusala bo positive kusho ukuthi ke kufana nokuthi ke lento lena positive lona positive lo mangidivide ngo negative throughout. Uyabona yini ukuthi i-situation engikuyo this is solve for x noma ke why ngithi solve for x sorry this is an exponential equation kahle kahle because into engiyisolvayo i-exponent kufana nokuthi ngila kahle kahle konje besenza kanjani masisolve u-x la okay besifuka ukuthi le base yethu u2 singakwazi ukwenza ukuthi lo omunye naye ebe yi-base 2 yes singakwazi u4 u2 exponent 2 mase kufana ama-base ama-laws of exponents athi nalona ke angazi noma ama-laws of exponents noma yini kodwa ke isho ukuthi ke if ayafana ama-base kusho ukuthi nama-exponents ayafana therefore u-x ulingana no2 but uyabona yini mangathiwa sine-situation noma-ke sikuyi-situation ekanjena besingaba nenkinga yokwenza lento le mawukuthi ngino-3 exponent x equals 5 okay ngino-3 exponent x ngingakwazi ukwenza u5 ebe u-base 3 there's no way ungenza u5 ebe u-base 3 indlela nje yokuletha u3 ku5 ukuthi uthi 3 plus 2 okuyinto engasisizi ngalutho ke lento ezizama ukuyenza but ke ikhona indlela ke yokuthi ke ungathi make u-x subject of the formula because mawusolva phela u-x usukumenza i-subject of the formula ukuthini ukuthi ufaka u-log ngapha nangapha mangifaka u-log ke ngapha lo log lona angithi yabo lento kanje but lo log lo esengimfakile la wenza ukuthi lo x lona eyeke ukuba yi-exponent kodwa ebuye ezoba ngapha ebe yi-coefficient kalona kanje so basically ke ulog uyamehlisa u-x emlethe ngapha njengoba umbona ke esengapha but ke ulog angikwazi ukumfaka esayidini eli1 mangifaka ulog ngapha nangapha ngizofaka ulog angithi uyabona what you do on the left you also do on the right angithi baye besho kanjalo abantu abakhuluma isilungu so sekunento kanjena kanjalo usuyakwazi ukudivide ngo-log 3 ngapha nangapha log 3 ngapha nangapha usumsolvile ku-x u-x wakho kuzoba yilento le nakhona ke kusho ukuthi la besingakwazi ukuthi sifake ulog ngapha nangapha ngoba there's no way singenza ama-base efane la kusho ukuthi sofaka ulog ke by the way nanoma ukwazi ukwenza ama-base efane you can still use ulog mawuthanda izophuma so ngizoba no log 0.4 equals u-n yangithi uyakhumbula usezobuya ke ngapha nangu ku-n no negative wakhe bese ngiba no log lento yami ubungayiworka out lento le but angiyiworkanga out akusho lutho from lana kusungakwazi ukuthi usolve for u-n ke ngokuthi udivide ngo negative log angithi yabo ngifuna ukuthi get rid of lo negative as well so ngifuna ukuthi u-n esale yedwa and positive so mangithi divided by negative log lento nangapha negative log lento le kusho ukuthi ngizosala no n ke lapho u-n ke kuzogcina kuba u92 92.09 remember yini u-n in number of payments kusho ukuthi lo muntu lona mayithatha le loan lena uzogcina enze ama-payments awu92.09 nayi into ebalekile why ngingatholanga ama-payments awu92 why ngingatholanga ama-payments awu93 ngoba phela mawukhokha uthi ngikhokhe ka1 ngakhokho kwesi2 ngakhokho kwesi3 ngakhokho kwesi4 ngakhokho kwesi5 awusho ukuthi ngikhokho kwesi1 ngakhokho 1,1 ngakhokha ukwesi 1,3 angithi yabo kuba ukuthi nje ama whole number kuwukuthi ngikhokheka u10 if ngimkhokheleka u10 if ngimkhokheleka u20 ngimkhokheleka u20 why pho uN ephumako eba u92.09 lento ke lena isho ukuthi ke angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi lo muntu lona ubhadala ama 500 lento isho ukuthi uzofika ebhadale ama 500 awu92 bese ipayment yakhe yokugcina angeke isaba u500 exactly kodwa izoba inamba encane kuno5 izoba imali encane kuno500 okuwukuthi ke iyo ke le payment yenza ukuthi ke sigcine siba na 92.09 ama payments wethu angazi noma kuyezwakala but isho leyo nto ukuthi okay ama payments njobe u92.09 kusho lo muntu lona uzokwenza ama payments awu92 alingana no500 exactly bese ukugcina ke ipayment yakhe yes93 kusho ukuthi izobe isiyimali engaphansi ke kabani ka500 isho kanjalo ke leyo nto leyo kubalekile ukuthi nalokho sikwazi okay ngicabanga ukuthi niyazi ukuthi kwi-reality mawukuthi mhlambe wenza ama-installments for example uyakhokha njalo ngenyanga kuyenzeka ke kube ukuthi ke kwenzeka ukuthi mhlambe uyaphazamiseka ugcina ubhadali kuyenzeka mhlambe uthola ukuthi ke uthatha i-loan mhlambe kodwa ngeke uqale ukuyibhadala makuphela inyanga uzoqala uyibhadala mhlambe ngo-August ziyenzeka izinto ezikanjalo ngokwezivumelano senu kuyenzeka mhlambe kube ukuthi ke mhlambe uthatha i-loan usugcina uyahluleka futhi ukuyibhadala mhlambe for inyanga ezithize uzobuya kodwa uzoyibhadala mawusume kahle ke akubi ukuthi nje uthatha i-loan bese ihamba smoothly kuwo wonke umuntu kuyenzeka kube nama difficulties kuyenzeka futhi kube nama agreements athize ahlukile komunye umuntu nakomunye umuntu I hope niyayithola le nto le okay asithatheni i-scenario enormal siyibuke ngizama uku-explaina ke wenze sure ukuthi uyafocusa ke from manje i-scenario enormal mhlambe let's say ngithatha i-loan ngizoyibhadala ke i-loan all the way mhlambe ke umonth 0 lona ihambe ke ngendlela ke ehamba ngayo ke let's say mhlambe ke ama payments ke lawa engwenzayo mawukuthi ke ngenza ama payments ke ngalendlela ke lena kungenzeka mhlambe bethi mangithatha i-loan la bese bethi ke i-loan yami ke ngizoyibhadala 1 month after ngiyithathile mawukuthi uthatha i-loan bese uyibhadala 1 month after uyithathile and uzobhadala every month mhlambe for zonke ke lezi nyanga lezi i-case enormal le okuwukuthi ke kushuthi uzofika uyithathe and then mayiphela inyanga uyaqala uyabhadala kanjalo uyabhadala kanjalo uyabhadala kanjalo uyabhadala kanjalo uyabhadala ubhadale ke every month uyabhadala every month uyabhadala every month uyabhadala iyenzeka ke leyo nto leyo bajwayele ukuthi bethi 1 month after the loan was granted noma ke immediately 1 month after the loan was granted kubalekile ukuthi uunderstand ke la ukuthi lo 1 month after no immediately 1 month after the loan was granted into eyodwa mawukuthi uqala ukwenza the first payment 1 month after the loan was granted noma immediately 1 month after the loan was granted kusho ukuthi ke awulindanga uqale nje immediately okuwukuthi i-case enormal noma ejwayelekile mawukuthi ke ubhadala every month bese uthatha i-loan 1 month after bese ubhadala mawukuthi uthatha i-loan bese ubhadala 1 month after uyithathile and it happens ukuthi ubhadala every month i-case enormal leyo mawukuthi uthatha i-loan bese bethi uzobhadala immediately 1 month after bakhuluma ngento eyi-1 lapho i-case enormal leyo kufana nokuthi mhlambe mawukuthi for example let's say sine situation ekanje bese bethi ke uthatha i-loan uzoyibhadala kodwa every after 3 months mawuyithatha ke lana kusho ukuthi 1 2 3 usuyaqala kuyabhadala la 1 2 3 uyabhadala futhi angithi yabo 1 2 3 uyabhadala kusho ukuthi izohamba kanjani ke i-loan yakho ke lapho izofike ithi Angithi uyabona. So every after 3 months wena wenze njani uyabhadala. Every after 3 months wena uyabhadala. Every after 3 months wena uyabhadala. So if kuukuthi ke le agreement eniyenzile ke yokuthi ubhadala quarterly noma every after 3 months, kumele kube ukuthi your first payment is due immediately after 3 months noma ke your first payment is due after 3 months. Nanoma bemfakile ku-immediately noma bengamfakanga. Ngilokho ngiyamfaka ku-immediately ngoba khona u-immediately ogcina esenza ke i-situation ingabi normal okuwukuthi kumele upay attention kuwo. Lana sikhuluma ngokuthi akubanga ne-waiting period la. Angithi agreement ukuthi ubhadala after 3 months angithi. So mangizothatha i-loan namhlanje, kushuthi kumele ngilinde kuphela u3 months bese ngiyaqala ngiyabhadala. Kuze futhi ngibhadale futhi ngenyanga eziwu3 ezilandelayo. Kuze futhi ngibhadale ngezinye inyanga eziwu3 ezilandelayo. So that is immediately ke 3 months after the loan was granted noma this is after 3 months ke noma 3 months after the loan was granted. I hope kuyezwakala lokho. Kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ke lokho. Nanoma ngabe ke kuthiwa mhlambe uthatha i-loan manje uzoyibhadala every after 12 months. Kusho ukuthi ke your first payment is due immediately ke after 12 months. Noma ke your first payment is due 12 months after the loan was granted. I hope kuyezwakala. Kubalekile ukuthi u-understand ke lama cases lawa anormal. Kuyenzeka kodwa ama-case engabi normal. Angizukuyenza ke example ke uzohamba uyozenzela ama-past paper kuwaboneka ama-example alento noma ujoyine ama-online classes ke uzokwazi ukuthola ukuthi sisolve kanjani. Khona ke ama-case angekho normal noma ke ama-case engathi mhlawumbe weird. Njengokuthi for example bazothi ke uthatha i-loan bese ubhadala immediately. So lo muntu uthatha i-loan bese bhadala immediately. Ithi ngikwenzeleke mhlambe ngo-Sunday, Monday khona uzoyibona lento engishoyo ka immediately. Ngizokwenza immediately lo kade ngimusho bese ngenza lo engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's say ngizoyithatha la imali yakho engango 20 rand. Let's say. Okay, ithi ngingasho ukuthi imalini but ngiyithatha la imali yakho. Bese ngiyaqala ukuyibhadala immediately one day after ngiyithatha, which is the normal case. Kushuthi ngizoqala ngibhadale mhlambe la let's say ngibhadala i2 rand, ngizobhadala i2 rand, ngibhadala i2 rand, ngibhadala i2 rand, ngibhadala i2 rand. Angithi yabo mawubala izinsuku vele from Sunday to Friday uzoqala ukubala uthi Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ukusho ukuthi uzogcina enze how many payments lo muntu lona 5 payments. Angithi uyabona. So okuyi normal case ke leyo mawukuthi mhlambe ngithi mina ngiboleka imali ngizoqala ukubhadala mfethu kusasa mhlambe lo immediately one day after ngizokubhadala ama2 rand ka2 rand kuze kufike kuFriday. Okusho ukuthi ke ngizogcina ngenza ama payments awu5. But if kuno immediately lo engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje uzothatha i-loan bese eqala ukubhadala immediately. Abashonga ukuthi immediately bani. Bathe nje immediately. Meaning ubhadala immediately ezoyithatha i-loan. Uthi ezoyithatha i-loan uyaqala uyabhadala. Meaning lo muntu lona kusho ukuthi uzofika ebhadale uzoyithatha i-loan ngawo Sunday kodwa futhi ngawo Sunday uyabhadala. Ngithi uyabona. Phinde ebhadale ngakusasa, phinde ebhadale futhi, phinde ebhadale nango Wednesday, ephinde ebhadale nango Thursday, ephinde ebhadale nango Friday. Angithi uyabona. So lo muntu lona if kuno immediately kwenza ukuthi ama payments wakhe from ama payments anormal awu5 kuzoba u5 kodwa plus 1. Angithi uyabona. Kusho ukuthi uzogcina senza how many kena 6 payments. Ibalekile ke lento le ukuthi uyazi ke ku-exam banokuyenza ke leyo nto leyo. Ngizama ukuthi sikhulume ngaleli gama leli lithi immediately. U-immediately kuyadepend ukuthi batheni. Khona u-immediately labade ngilokho ngibachaza ukuthi immediately 1 month after and uzokhokha every month into enormal leyo. Immediately 3 months after and uzokhokha every after 3 months into enormal leyo. Kodwa mabethi uzothatha i-loan bese bhadala immediately. Bengasho immediately after bani bethi nje uzothatha i-loan bese bhadala immediately. Kusho ukuthini lowo muntu lowo uthe ithatha nje ebeqala ebhadala. So mayithathe Sunday uzoqala ngawo Sunday ukubhadala. So ngokwama days from Sunday to Friday it's 5 days. Kusho ukuthi si expect 5 payments but ngoba ubhadale immediately kusho ukuthi nangawo Sunday siyambala ubhadalile nango Sunday. Therefore from the normal number of days okuzoba equal to number of payments oku 5 days sizo add 1 njengoba ubona nge-add 1 lana gcina kwenza ukuthi enze 6 payments ngoba ke uqala ukubhadala immediately. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Iyenzeka leyo nto kwi-exam nizoyibona uthi mhlambe uzothatha i-loan bese qala ukubhadala immediately. Uthi ke thereafter uzobhadala every month for 5 years. Uyabona ukuthi u5 years if ebhadala every month for 5 years ukutshela ukuthi u5 years ubani u5 times 12 oku60 but hayi ukuthi uN wakho u60 kodwa uN wakho ubani u60 plus 1 oku61 ngobani ubhadale immediately. Ningawuconfuse ke immediately lo enqeda ukumusho no immediately 1 month after which is normal. Okay, naye enye case engekho futhi normal. Let's say uzothatha i-loan la ku month 0 ufike uyayithatha ke loan uzoyibhadala every month. Kodwa bese bethi ke bona the first payment is due but the first payment is due 3 months after the loan was granted. Uyayizwa leyo nkulumo leyo. The first payment is due 3 months after the loan was granted. Meaning uzofike engabhadali, efike eqale ukuzobhadala la. Angithi yabo inyanga yokuqala akabhadali, inyanga yesi2 akabhadali, but kweyesi3 useyaqala uyabhadala. Ungasho ke wena ukuthi lo muntu lona uhlale izinyanga eziwu3 engabhadali. Ngoba kule yesi3 uyaqala uyabhadala, meaning uzofika engabhadali 1, efike engabhadali 2, bese ke lana ke khona uzobhadala. Ngithi uyabona. Therefore lo muntu lona kahlahle uhlale how many months engabhadali? Uhlale 2 months engabhadali. Nayi into kumele uyazi ayikho imali ehlalayo ingayi accumulate interest. Njobe ehlele engabhadali izoba khona interest accumulatekayo while ehleli engabhadali. Into enzakalayo, let's say mhlambe ebethathe i-loan ka 30,000. Njobe ethatha i-loan ka 30,000 bese hlala engabhadali, i-payment yakhe yokuqala ibe 3 months after the loan was granted. Kusho ukuthi lokho ke njobe ezoqala ukuzobhadala lana lezo imali akazoyibhadala ke mayesebhadala, remember uzolokho ebhadala every month, angithi annuity, uzolokho ebhadala every month annuity, uzolokho ebhadala every month i-annuity. Akusho lokho ukuthi ke uPV wakhe kuzobe ku30,000 as expected. Akukho kanjalo. Angeke kusaba u30,000 uPV wakhe. Why ngeke saba u30,000 uPV wakhe? Ngoba lo 30,000 while ehleli engabhadali uyayi-accumulate kodwa i-interest lo 30,000 lo. Ngamanye amazwi mabethi bona bakuboleka le mali engaka bese bethi uzohlala 3 months ungabhadali noma uzobhadala after 3 months. Ngamanye amazwi kahlahla bakuboleki le mali lena ukuthi bayak-attractor ubone ngazo ukuthi ke mhlambe ke let's say for example bathengisa imoto bese bethi u30,000 kodwa kuzoqala ukuyibhadalela mhlambe 3 months after uyithathile. Kahlahle leyo muntu isuke ngayena u3000 but iu3000 plus i-interest yalesi sikhathi ohlalile ungabhadali. Mawusuqala ukuyibhadala as an installment, the annuity uzoyibhadala with ini i-present value ezobe ubani ezobe u30,000. Angithi uyabona plus ini i-interest over a period le oyihlalile ungabhadali. So into engithanda ukuthi niyazi ukuthi okokuqala mabethe the first payment is due 3 months after uyithathile, kusho ukuthi awukweleti wena u3 months kodwa ukweleta u2 months. Benguvezele kodwa la ngizamile ukukuvezela ukuthi sifika kanjani ku2 months ekubeni bethe the first payment is due ngenyanga yesi3. Angithi uyabona. So la kule period le ungakabhadali wena from 0 to 3 months asinayo i-annuity, ayikho i-installment eyenzakalayo. Kusho ukuthini ke lokho? Kusho ukuthi kule period lena siyibuka manje lento njenge compound interest, not the annuity. Therefore u-30,000 wakho uzobe sengena lana ucalculate the interest. Let's say mhlawumbe bebethe 8% per annum compounded monthly, okusho ukuthi kuzomela kube ubani 0.08 sidivide u8% ngo100 bese sithi ngoba bathe compounded monthly over 12 bese ke le mali leka 30,000 sizama ukucalculate interest yakhe while ebusy engabhadali, okuwukuthi ke akabhadalanga for 2 months. Angithi uyabo le mali ke le ezophuma lana ke iyona mali ke akazobe eyikweleta lo muntu lona mayezoqala ukubhadala. Angazi noma niyayithola le nto, kufana nokuthi iyona mali yakhe ye loan kahle kahle, akuyena u30,000 kodwa u30,401 rand 33 cents. Okuwukuthi ke kushuthi mawusuqala i-annuity yakho kuzomela uyiqale ngo-PV owubani, u-PV wakho kuzobe ku 30,401 rand 33 cents. I hope niyayithola. Bese kuyacalculate ke mhlambe ke let's say babuza ukuthi uzobhadala malini ngenyanga, ungakwazi ukucalculate u-X lo wangithi. Noma ke mhlambe bekunike ukuthi uzobhadala malini ngenyanga, bekubuze ukuthi mhlambe uzokwenza ama-payments amangakanani, uzobe usuyasho ukuthi uzokwenza ama-payments angakanani. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi niyazi leyo nto leyo indaba ka immediately after isikhathi esithize. Kungaba ke immediately after ama-months noma immediately after iminyaka, but okubalekile ukuthi wazi ukuthi wayilehlele engabhadali iya-accumulate kodwa i-interest. Angithi uyabona, ungayithathi lento uyi-confuse nalento yokuthi mhlawumbe ubhadala every 3 months. If umuntu ebhadala every 3 months akusikho ukuthi uhleli la kule inyanga lezi, akahleli. Mayezoqala ukubhadala vele immediately after inyanga yes3 akahleli la. Ngithi agreement ibithi vele wena ubhadala njalo after inyanga ezintathu, wena ubhadala njalo after inyanga ezintathu, agreement ebisho njalo. La i-agreement ibithini? Ubhadala every month, but uqale wahlala bekumele ngabe ubhadalile la kodwa akabhadalanga ebehleli. Kumele abe ubhadalile la kodwa akabhadalanga ebehleli. Kodwa ke la wafika wenze njani ke khona wabhadala. Ngithi uyabo, okusho ukuthi uhlale inyanga eziwu2 kumele ngabe uyabhadala but akabhadalanga, therefore kube ne-interest ke ebe accumulated while esahleli lo 2 months lona engabhadali. And leyo interest asiyicalculate ngokwe-annuity ngoba ade engabhadali. I-annuity eyama-equal payments siyicalculate kanje leyo interest leyo for a period of 2 months. Nje ubona ngibhala u2 la and then compound monthly. Angithi uyabona le mali ke lena akayitholayo ke la ile mali lena okuwukuthi uthe fika la ezoqala ukubhadala ngenyanga yes3 already ubakoleta le mali lena. Ngithi uyabona, therefore that is the present value. Kufana nokuthi bamnika le mali in a way, nayi present value ke bese yaqala ke ibhadale kanjalo kuzolokho ebhadala ke imali akazobe ibhadala. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi siyazi leyo nto leyo. Okunye ke mhlambe ongahle ukwazi kokubalekile ukuthi mhlambe kunga affect i-present value, okuyicase mhlambe nayo engekho normal in terms of i-present value. Kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlambe uthatha i-loan, let's say uthatha i-loan mhlambe ka 50,000. Mawuthatha i-loan ka 50,000, that is the present value under normal circumstances. Angithi uyabo, kodwa manje uthothi wena unawo kodwa u10% wayo le mali lena oyithathayo, ngendlela ukuthi ke for example uthenga imoto ibibiza u50,000 but ufuna ukwenza njani wena, ufuna ukukhipha u10% towards imoto. Angithi uyabona, in other words angeke uzuyeke ebank uyothatha i-loan kabani ka 50,000. Why? Because khona i-part onayo of 50,000, ikhona imali onayo encane. Angithi uyabona, okusho ukuthi ke kuzomela wenze njani, ucalculate ku 10% of 50,000 oku10 over 100 times bani times lo 50,000 ke lo we-loan angithi wemoto angithi uyabona uzothola ubani ke u5000 so kusho ukuthini ke wena uzokhipha i-deposit ka5000 okuwubani ke okuwukuthi ke mawukhipha i-deposit ka5000 kusho ukuthi nayi imali wena oshoda ngayo ukuthenga imoto angithi uyabona so mawuye ebhenki wena uzobe uyokhuluma i-loan kabani ka45000 okuyiyona present value ngoba ubunawo phela u10% okuwu5000 I hope niyayithola ziyenzeka ke izinto ezikanjalo kubalekile ukuthi wazi mawukuthi kune-interest bengakunikeza ke interest ezimali obvious mabe ukuthi so right interest mawukuthi une-deposit makune-deposit u-PV wakhe angeke usafana nale mali le othenga ngayo into noma into ebiza yona ngoba kuzomela uminus i-deposit ungaminus i-deposit-ke mawukuthi imali uzovela uminus imali mayiyi-percent uzoqala ucalculate ukuthi u10% uyimalini bese uzominaza leyo mali bese ukhani-ke uba nayo kuyenzeka ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe uthathe i-loan lokho uyayibhadala-ke usufika mhlambe ekutheni yokunini ngilokho ngibhadala I wonder sekusele malini engiyikolotayo angithi uyabona ungakwazi ukuthola into okuthiwa i-outstanding balance i-outstanding balance ke le mali esuke isele kwimali mhlambe esisuke siyibhadala mhlambe masingayibuka-ke ngeperspective yokuthi ke sibhadala i-loan let's say for example mhlambe ububhadala every month ufike ubhadale uphinde ubhadale bese immediately after ukwenza i-payment yes4 angithi uyabo sigcine senze ama-payments amangakulana awu4 payments angithi ngoba ufike wenze oqala S2 S3 S4 immediately after ukwenza i-payment yes4 bese uthi wena I wonder ngikolota malini ke njengamanje bekumele wenze konje a total of how many payments bekumele wenza ama-payments awu10 angithi uyabona payments awu10 so usuzothini ke wena ufuna ukucalculate outstanding balance after kwenza i-payment yes4 ziwu2 ke indlela zokucalculate outstanding balance khona ke osebenzisa kuyo i-present value annuity formula iformula le-present value lele lithi ke ngicela ukubhala kodwa u-PV as OB for outstanding balance lithi ke iformula le-present value likanje ukuthi angibhalanga laphana PV but ngibhala OB for outstanding balance likanje leli formula leli le present value annuity 1 usuke wazi ukuthi every month ubhadala malini le oyibhadalile after kuphela month 1 month 2 month 3 and month 4 angithi usuke wazi futhi ukuthi interest ingakanani to le loan yakho osuke uyibhadala but ke into enzakalayo uma uzosebenzisa leli formula leli le present value annuity remember leli formula li calculateisa ini i-present value okuwu-PV kushuthi wala i-outstanding balance iyafana nani no-PV wala ku-month 4 okuwukuthi ke if kuwu-PV ka-month 4 into engi-interested kuyo ukuthi ke mangaka ama-payments asele ukuthi ngiwenze payment asele ukuthi ngiwenze 1 2 3 4 5 6 angithi yabo okusho ukuthi la kuzongena ubani ke lana u6 ye ngaleyo ndlela leyo the only thing oba worried ngayo kwi outstanding balance when using i-present value annuity u-n kuphela zonke ezinye izinto usukuzazi usukufuna lona lo usukumazi lo uyeke umworker out umworker out kanjani ke umworker out kanjani uthola ukuthi sekusele ama-payments amangaka ukuthi ngiwenze angithi uyabona sicalculator i-present value after ukwenza le payment le okuwukuthi kusasela amanye ngifuna-ke imali ya-present-ke la okuwukuthi-ke kusasele kodwa amanye ama-payments okumele ngiwenze ilula-ke lento lena simthole kanjani lo 6 payments angithi uyakhumbula ngiqeda ukuthi mina i-answer-ke la ku-n kuzoba u6 so meaning 6 payments umthola kanjani lo 6 payments ngoba phela kulula la ukuthi singenza kanje but if maybe uzobhadala for 60 months and then usuwenze 23 months kuzothanda ukuthi mhlambe kungacaci kahle ngokwenumber line ukwenza kanje but into enzayo uzothi ama payments ewonke konje mangaki ngizokwenza i-total of 10 payments angithi sengenze how many konje sengenze 4 bese kuyathola ukuthi okay kushuthi 10 minus 4 is bani is 6 sifike kanjalo ku6 payments kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi lokho mawusebenzisa iformula le present value annuity ukucalculate outstanding balance kumele kube ukuthi ke wenze njani uworka out to n. U-x uzobe unaye, u-I uzobe unaye. Uworka out to n. Umworka out kanjani u-n? Total number of payments minus ama-payments la abathe ngicalculate outstanding balance after ukwenza yona. So uma bethi calculator i-outstanding balance, let's say bekumele ngenza ama-payments awu-60. Bese bethi ngicela ucalculate outstanding balance after ukwenza ama-payments awu-19. Kusho ngizothini-ke mina 60 minus 19 bese ngithola u-41. Okusho ukuthi-ke ku-n wami ngizofaka u-41, angithi uyabona. Into ehamba kanjalo-ke. I-outstanding balance if uzosebenzisa i-present value annuity for calculator i-outstanding balance. I hope kuyezwakala. Ikhona-ke enye indlela yokucalculate i-outstanding balance lapho khona-ke osebenzisa-ke i-compound interest formula together with i-future value annuity formula. Uzoyibona ukuthi ihamba kanjani-ke. Angiyipreferi-ke, ngiprefera le outstanding balance-ke, but-ke nayo iyasebenza. Mhlawumbe ukhona omunye oyipreferayo noma uyi-understanda kangcono. Ikhona-ke enye imethod yokucalculate i-outstanding balance. Uma ungafuni ukusebenzisa iformula le-future value, le-present value annuity, ungasebenzisa-ke iformula le-future value annuity together with iformula le-compound interest. Into eyenzakalayo-ke ukuze mhlawumbe si-understand-ke le formula leli ukuthi ubuke i-loan in terms of noma kubuka i-loan ngawo owu-2 ama-sides. Let's say mhlawumbe nayi i-loan yimi lona ngizothi me and then ngithi lona i-bank and then kune-loan lana, but i-loan lena iyi-loan from my perspective. Angazi noma niyayithola. But from i-perspective ye-bank, the very same thing, akuyona i-loan kodwa i-investment. Angazi noma uyayithola leyo nto leyo. Mangihamba mina ngiyoboleka u-50,000 e-bank, ngokwami ngiyawuboleka kusho ukuthi uyi-loan kimi. Kodwa ngokwe-bank ngoba liyangiboleka liyawu-investa kimi lizowuthola usune-interest. Kanti mina ngizowubuyisela kusune-interest. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. So into eyenzakalayo ngokwesayidi lami yinto ukuthi-ke ngizolokhu ngibhadala every month. Lese ngibhadala ama-R100, ngibhadala i-R100, ngiphinde ngibhadala enye i-R100, ngiphinde ngibhadala enye i-R100, kanjalo kanjalo angithi yabo every month. Obviously kune-interest-ke involved lana-ke okuwukuthi-ke ngeke ngithi ngiboleka u-30,000 ekugcineni uma ngi-add abo-R100 bekhipha u-30,000, but bazokhipha u-30,000 plus lama-interest-ke lawa khona. Nangokwe-bank futhi lona ibhenki kuzoba ukuthini lithathe nje u-30,000 la u-investor over a period of duration ye-loan. Angazi noma niyayithola leyo nto leyo. So ngibuka ukuthini lana, let's say mhlawumbe sifuna uku-calculate i-outstanding balance after i-payment yesi-4. Ngifike ngakhokha ngithi yabo so ngibhadaleka u-4. Nebhenki kusho ukuthini imali eli-investe kimi isahlale for i-period of bani of 4 months if uyibuka ngaleyo ndlela leyo. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. So mangathiwa mhlawumbe uthatha le mali uyenza kanje, buka. Ngithatha le mali engiyibhadalayo njalo ngenyanga, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi in the future ngizobe sengibhadale malini. In the future ngizobe sengibhadale malini if ngilokhu ngibhadala le mali engiyibhadalayo ebank. Ngiyakwazi ukusebenzisa iformula le-present value, angithi. Ngifuna ukucheck ukuthi ngizobe sengibhadale malini in the future, okuyimali kusho ukuthi ngizobe ngiyibhadale after inyanga yesingaki, yes-4, angithi uyabo. Kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe if ngibhadala ama-R100, ama-R100 engiwabhadalayo 1 plus let's say u-12% per annum compounded monthly exponent bani-ke kusho ukuthi kuzobe ku-4 la minus 1, angithi uyabo. Imali-ke engizoyithola lana le imali engizobe ngiyibhadale kwi-future, okuwukuthi imali engiyibhadale after bani-ke after lo 4 months, kodwa bengiyibhadala every month, yikho ngisebenzisa iformula le-annuity, angithi uyabo. Bese ngiyayithola-ke le mali le ukuthi okay kusho ukuthi after 4 months ngizobe ngibhadala imali engaka. Ngokwesayidi kodwa le bank, ibhenki phela lokhu linginika njalo ngenyanga, lokhu linginike kanye okuwukuthi linginike kayi-1 mangizothatha i-loan okuwukuthi kusho kube li-investor kodwa lifuna ukubona nalokuthi after 4 months le investment yethu sisikhandele emalini akuyona kusho ukuthi annuity but soyithatha ngokuthi compound interest kanje angithi uyabona ibhenki belinginikeze emalini u30,000 lona ngithi uyabona liwu-investor nje i-interest ibithini ibikanjena ngithi uyabona exponent bani ke nakhona 4 ngoba si-compound amandla le mali ke ezophuma lana ke imali le eyenziwe yini ibhenki ngaleso sikhathi angazi noma niyayibona leyo nto leyo kusho ukuthini ke lokho ngemali esele ibhenki mawukuthi mhlambe selenze lona ngokwalo u60,000 angithi uyabona kanti mina sengiubhadalile ngokwami ubani u12,000 kusho ukuthini lokho kusho ukuthi ke sesikolotana malini ke nebhenki ke ngaleyo ndlela sikolotana u48,000 okuyiyona ke outstanding balance ke leyo ngamanye amazwi mawucalculate outstanding balance kusho uzothatha lona minus lona ke yilo ke iformula leli ke elinye lokucalculate ini i-outstanding balance angazi noma niyayithola mhlambe ngendlela engiyi-explaina ngayo ukuthi okay omunye uya-investor omunye uyakhokha so sifuna ukubona ukuthi lo bhadalayo kwi-future after ke 4 months uzobe esebhadale malini uyabo lona yena imali yakhe izobe isimenzele malini ngoba phela kulokhu kuyabhadalwa ngithi kusho ukuthi somele sithole i-difference ukuze sithole outstanding angazi noma kuyezwakala but ke iyona ndlela ke engcono bengingakwazi ukuyi-explaina ngayo ke lento le so kuzobe uphilana 1 plus I exponent n okuyileli formula leli minus njengoba ngizama ukuchaza ke ngo60,000 minus 12,000 minus ke lowo I exponent n minus 1 over I lana kumehluko between leli formula naleli present value annuity remember present value annuity besenzani besifuna ukuthola ukuthi ama payments asele mangakanani ukuthi besithi if uzokwenza i-total of 10 payments and sifuna outstanding balance after the 4th payment kusho ukuthi 10 minus 6 bese sithola 10 minus 4 bese sithola u6 okuwu-n wethu kwi-present value annuity if calculate outstanding balance la khona kuzongena exactly lo 4 lo njengoba sicalculate outstanding balance after payment yes4 kuzongena exactly 4 lana kungena exactly 4 la so bese no 4 kulama nakhonja wethu njengoba ubona lana nginobani ngino4 nala ngino4 kusho ukuthi kuzongena u4 lana kungena u4 la lo uyamazi imali akayibhadala njalo ngenyanga oku100 rand lo uyamazi imali akayithathile ebank okubani oku30,000 uyakwazi ukucalculate outstanding balance ke nangaleli formula leli kuyafana kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ke lokho sisase kuyo i-outstanding balance angazi noma uyakhumbula yini ukuthi ngithe mina mawukuthi ucalculate u-n let's say uthatha i-loan na iformula ye-present value annuity uzolokhu ubhadala ke la i-loan yakho ke until uyiqede let's say mhlambe ke siyazi ukuthi ke uthathe malini ebank for example njoba sazi ukuthi uthathe malini ebank kusho ukuthi singakwazi ukuthola ukuthi uzokwenza ama payments amangaki if interest ithini let's say mhlawumbe uthathe 30,000 le example ebengiyenzile ekuqaleni uzobhadala mhlawumbe ama 500 njalo ngenyanga 1 minus i-interest to 12% per annum compounded monthly kusho ukuthi izoba kanjena sifuna u-n angithi uyabona bese uyamthola ukuthi u-n okay u-n wami ubani u92.09 payments wenze wena ama payments amangakanani awu92 ubhadala ama 500 and then le payment yes93 angeke ubhadale i500 kungenzeka bethi calculate outstanding balance after ukwenza i-payment yes92 in other words bezobe bethi calculate the last payment angazi noma uyayizwa leyo nto leyo mabethi calculate last payment imali akazoyibhadala ekugcineni lo muntu lona ngoba ubhadale ka u92.0309 kufana nokuthi ubhadale ka u93, but this means that the 93rd payment is not exactly 500 but imali engaphansi ka 500. So leyo mali ke leyo mabebuza ukuthi imalini kufana nokuthi bathi calculate the last payment or calculate the outstanding balance after the 92nd payment, after kwenza payment esi92. Kulula, uzothatha le number le njengoba injalo ke namakhoma wayo bese uthi minus lo u92 bese uthola ke uN wakho ke for i-outstanding balance. If uN kumenza ngalendlela le ye present value annuity, njalo kuyenza kanjalo ke ngendlela ye present value annuity. Remember, mawenza ngendlela ye-present value annuity udinga nje u-N kuphela. Total number of payments okuyile number lena u92 point bani onekhoma ngithi uyabona, minus la isifuna khona outstanding balance okuwukuthi after ukwenza i-payment yes92. Angithi sifuna ukubona ukuthi mayiqeda ukwenza i-payment yes92 ukweleta malini okuyimali akazoyikhokha ekugcineni vele ngoba phela ekugcineni wenza ama-payment awu93. So uzothini ku-N wakho 92.0 bani minus bani minus 92 bese uthole answer. Lo N konekhoma ke 0, bani uzomfaka la. Kuyenzeka ukuthola ukuthi umuntu ubusy mhlawumbe ubhadala i-loan noma uya-investa bese face ama-financial difficulties, njengokuthi for example engaphelelwa umsebenzi noma ke dinga imali ke for enye into engabe sakwazi ukubhadala. Let's say mhlawumbe uzofika ebhadale, uzoqala ke ukubhadala 1 month after ebhadale immediately mayiqeda ukwenza i-payment yes3 bese ke eba nenkinga ke manje akasakwazi ukubhadala mhlambe for the next 3 months, mhlambe uzokwazi ukubhadala immediately after inyanga yes3 okuwukuthi kusho ukuthi uzobhadala la. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Bese qhubeka ke futhi ne-annuity yakhe ngendlela akaqhubeka ngayo. Into eyenzakalayo ukuthini ke la besase kuyo i-annuity, la sesibuyela kuyo i-annuity okusho ukuthi la asikho kwi-annuity la. So njengoba singekho kwi-annuity awukwazi ukutreata le period le as i-annuity. Okokuqala lokho kumele uku-understand. Okwesithuko kumele uku-understand ukuthi kumele sibe ne-understanding yemali la ukuthi njengoba ezohluleka ezophelelwa umsebenzi u-interested vele ekwazini ukuthi inkolota malini, ayiwanda nkolota malini manje njengoba ngeke ngisakwazi ukubhadala nje ngenyanga yesi4. Angithi uyabona. Okay, kusho ukuthi ngeke ekwazi ukubhadala ngesi4 nangesi5, kusho ukuthi uzokolota 2 months angithi uyabo bese ebhadala ngesi6. But uyadinga ukwazi ukuthi inkolota malini la enyangeni yesi3 mangiqeda ukubhadala nje ngeke ngisakwazi ukubhadala ngesi4 nangesi5. Kanjalo futhi uyadinga ukwazi ukuthi mayesebuya esenamandla esethola omunye umsebenzi for example, konje senginikoleta malini madoda, sengiyakwazi manje ukuthi ngibhadale, ngicela ukuzoqala ngibhadale but nginikoleta malini angithi uyabo. So leyo nto leyo kusho ukuthi isibuyisela kuphi kuyo lento ye-outstanding balance angithi uyabo, outstanding balance. Uyadinga ukwazi outstanding balance lana mayezoqala ukwenza njani ukuhluleka ukubhadala, uphinde wazi futhi outstanding balance lana mayesezoqala ukwazi ukubhadala. But into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ayifani outstanding balance yalana yala in terms of mhlawumbe indlela esiyibuka ngayo in terms of ama-formula. Buka, uzofika ebhadale after ukwenza i-payment yes3 ucalculate outstanding balance. Konje siyicalculate kanjani? Using leli formula ke leli lithi ngithande le present value ngicela ukusebenzisa lona leli. If ngizosebenzisa leli formula leli kusho ukuthi into kumele ngiyenze ukuthini ke ukuthi njoba ekweleta bekumele enze 10 payments angithi. Kodwa ke uhluleke after ukwenza i-payment yes3 meaning 10 minus 3 kuba u7. Kusho ukuthi u-N wami njengoba ngithi uba worried ngo-N kuzoba u7 u-N ucalculate outstanding balance la. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Bese uyayithola ke leyo mali leyo akayikweleta la after ukwenza i-payment yes3. Let's say for argument's sake mhlambe ukweleta ke u300,000 rands mhlambe. Lo 300,000 rands akawukweletayo manje after ukwenza i-payment yes3 angeke uvele uhlale nje ebhenki kuze kube ukuthi lo 300,000 rand ukhona nala ukolota wona mayisebuya ezoqala ukubhadala. But kuzokwenzakalani? Uzo-accumulate interest lo 300,000 ohlezi la ebhenki ungabhadalwa. Uyakhumbula ngithi ayikho imali evele ihlale njengayenzi interest. Manguboleka imali mayihleli kuwe izolokhu ikhanda interest. Okusho ukuthi-ke njengoba ehlele engabhadali still iyayikhanda interest. Kodwa manje ayikhandi ngokwe-annuity noma we are no longer looking at le loan yethu as i-annuity for le period lena ngoba akabhadali phela ama-equal payments kanti i-annuity ama-equal payments noma ama-installments. Meaning kusho ukuthi lana lo 300,000 indlela ozokhula ngawo uzokhula kanje u-300,000 wethu. Uzokhula kanje u-300,000 wethu. Angithi uyabona. Ngobani? Akuseyona i-annuity. Meaning uphi wethu lana kuzobe kubani? Ku-300,000. Angithi uyabona. Iqhubekeke kanjalo angithi uyabona. Exponent bani? Kuzoba u-exponent 1 2. Angithi nangiyange u2 akazobe eyikweleta 2. Phela kwesi3 uzobe seyenza i-payment. Angithi uyabona. Le mali ke ezophuma lana ke out of le formula A, that is the outstanding balance yala. Angithi yabo, outstanding balance manje asayicalculate ngaleli formula but sesiyicalculate ngaleli formula leli ngoba iscenario isho lokho ukuthi okay ukusuka la uza lana kwenzekalani kahle angazi noma niyayithola lento kubalekile bese yaqhubeka ke neloan ke lana ke ngendlela ke enormal. I hope uyayithola leyo nto leyo. Into enzakalayo ke from la going forward engakwazi ukuthi eqhubeke ebhadale yona le mali ade lokho eyibhadala la, but mayiqhubeke ebhadala le mali ade lokho eyibhadala lana angeke saqeda la njengoba dezoqeda if behambe ngendlela normal. Ngobani? Le mali ikhulile while ehlele engabhadali, therefore izothi mhlawumbe uku-extenda kancane into yakhe engabe senza a total of 10 payments njengoba dezokwenza under normal scenario. Into angangayenza ke if efuna kodwa yena ukugcina ngokuthi enze ama-payments awu-10 kuzomele increase i-installment yakhe, meaning increase i-value ka-X. I-value ka-X yala ingafani ne-value ka-X yala, then uzokwazi ukuthi egcine eqede after ukwenza i-payment yesi-10. Banokuyibuza-ke into kanjalo ukuthi mhlawumbe calculate u-X ke ukuthi uzoba ubani if efuna at the end of the day egcine enze 10 payments. Angithi uyabona. If bathanda ukubuza leyo question leyo noma yini ke bengayibuza la, but into ebengifuna ukuyi-emphasize kakhulu le ukuthi kwenzakalani mayihlele engabhadali and outstanding balance yalana siyithola kanjani neyala futhi mayisezoqala ukubhadala siyithola kanjani. I hope kuyezwakala. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ke lokho if umuntu ebake nama financial difficulties. Okay, kuyenzeka ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe uthatha loan for example mhlambe ka 500,000. Let's say uthatha loan ka 500,000. Ibhenki bese ikucharge 12% per annum compounded monthly. Bese niyavumelana ngokuthi okay le mali lena ngizoyi-repair over a period of 5 years. Kodwa ngizobhadala every month. Indlela engizobhadala ngayo ngizobhadala ama-equal payments. Ungakwazi ukuthi uwork out ukuthi lawo ma-equal payments abobani. Okokuqala ngoba i-equal payment shuthi annuity. Uyi-work out ke njengoba bese i-work out ke ekuqaleni bese uthola ukuthi okay every month uzobhadala 11,122 rand 22 cents. Enye into ongafisa ukuyazi ukuthi okay njengoba ngizobhadala ke lama 11,122 rand 22 cents kahle ngizogcine okay ngizogcine angazi ukuthi why ngifake unakhunja lana kumele ngifake u500,000. Ungathanda ukwazi ukuthi okay njengoba ngibhadala lama 11,000 122 rand 22 cents. Ngizogcina ngibhadale emalini kahle kahle ekugcineni. Yes, ngithatha u500,000 but ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke ngize ngibhadale u500,000 back. Kuzomela ngibhadale sekune interest. Ungathola kanjani ukuthi uzogcina ubhadale emalini ke mhlambe itotal uzogcina uyibhadalile? Obviously kuyaza ngithi uthi ngibhadala ama11,000 njalo ngenyanga. So njengoba ngibhadala ama11,000 ngizowabhadala kangaki times kushuthi kangaki kawu60. Remember number of payments u-n okubani in this case u60. Kushuthi ngizotimesa labo 11,000 banjalo ngenyanga per month ngobani ngo60 because I'm gonna make 60 payments esewonke angithi. Ngizokwazi lapho ukuthi ngithola ubani ke mangenza leyo nto u667,333 rand 20 cents. Kwenziwa kanjena ke. Enye into ongafisa mhlambe ukuthi uyicheck lana i-interest ozogcina uyibhadalile. Ngoba uyabona ukuthi ubukade boleke u500,000 so iloan beku500,000 but you end up paying ubani u600 and something thousand. Ubani ke i-interest kulula ukuthi ungayicalculate i-interest angithi. Interest uzothini ke shuthi interest kuzoba ubani le mali lena engicina ngiyibhadalile minus le mali engiyibolekile uku500,000 angithi. Kushuthi ubani ke interest. Fana nokuthi ungiboleka u10 rand ngizobuyisa u12 rand. Ngizofika kanjani ke kutheni kahle interest umalini? 12 rand lo ngibuyisayo minus u10 rand onginike wona kusala u2 rand angithi yabo. Nakhona ke la uma uminus uzogcina usala no167,333 rand 20 cents. Le i-interest ke ogcina uyibhadalile ke if uthatha loan ke ngalendlela le. I hope niyayithola. Kuyenzeka ku exam mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi kugcina ke kwenzeka izinto ezikanje mhlawumbe bathi calculate interest mhlawumbe ke ngenhloso ke let's say bafuna ukucompare ukuthi yipi deal right mhlawumbe phakathi kwama deal awu2 abasinikeze wona. Okunye okubalekile ke njengama nominal and effective interest rates uzokuthola ku financial maths wa grade 11 kumele kube ukuthi vele ukufundile from grade 11 bese ke indaba zama depreciation nama appreciation ukuthi kune reducing balance method i straight line method kubalekile nakho ukuthi ukwazi lokho noku understand ke between sinking fund book value scrap value na yonke leyo nto leyo kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi lokho. Lezo zinto ke izinto zakwa grade 11 le video ke ibi focus specifically kwi grade 12 financial maths. Siyabonga.